Are you struggling to make decisions? Decision making is very important in human life, be it career, be it personal life, be it business, or be it a job wherever you are doing. So, decision making is very important, right? So, today in this video, I'll be covering the important things which you need to remember before making a decision, right? Hi, I am K.C. Parameshwaran, Visishta Seva Medal, productivity coach, and an NLP expert. Let us start off with the first point. Identify the problem. Now, what is the problem you're going to solve? What is that problem? You should know that. You should identify that problem. Then you should find out a solution for that. So identifying the problem is very, very important before we make a decision, right? Make changes if you feel it will not work after making a decision. I will explain much more better in the next point so that it will be very clear to you. Coming to the next point is gather relevant informations. See, gathering information is very important. If we don't gather informations and we take a decision, it is not going to work because there is a problem. This problem will arise for many of the people, many of the businesses, many of the companies. So you can do a research on the problems, these type of problems. What are the solutions? You can search in Google, you can search in Quora, you can search in many other media so that you will know, you will get more answers. Once you get all those answers, do an analysis of those answers. What are the decisions I need to make, right? Select which you need to take and take that option, right? Now, considering all the previous successes and failures of you, like if you have already faced such a problem and you have recorded it, just go through that and find out if you have got this problem and what action you have taken. Then you can take a call and then you can make a decision. Fine. Coming to the next point, identify the alternatives. Now you got one solution you have got. You take from the research, you take out 3-4 alternatives. Totally you have 4 alternatives. Now we made a decision, but we must have alternatives. Otherwise, if something goes wrong in the plan A, then we should have plan B. If plan B goes wrong, we should have plan C. If plan C goes down, plan D. If plan D goes down, then plan E. So like that, we should have various alternatives. Identify the pitfalls of each of the alternatives. So what are the pitfalls in this each alternative which I have decided? Then note down that. So you can go for the minimum most which is having pitfall, take that, right? Next is decide a time frame. If you don't decide a time frame, you will keep procrastinating, you will not take a decision, you will not execute that task. So deciding, I want to do it immediately, or I want to do it within a week, I want to do it within a month, or when you want to complete it, take a decision on the time when you want to do it. That is more important, right? Coming to consider the pros and cons. Now you have taken 4 decisions. In these 4 decisions, find out what are the pros and what are the cons, and which is having the minimum most, select that and proceed further. Now choose among the alternatives. Once you are selected, you have 4, choose among them which is the best, so that I will take and I will execute. Fine. Next is implement action. Until unless you don't take action, nothing is going to happen. So as I said to you in mindset, decisions, choices, and action. These are the 3 important things required for success. So here comes the action. You have taken decision, you have decided. There are 4 alternatives. In that you have taken one decision, one of the choices. Out of the 4, one of the choices. Now take action. Take action, execute the decision by allotting task to yourself. If it is a personal task, if it is a company task, to your team. If you are a business, to your team, right? So implementation is most important. Implement the action. Review your decision. Look back on the output of the task, what you got. Did you solve the problem? Did you answer the question? Have you achieved your goals? So these are the questions you need to ask. Review yourself and write down in a notepad or record it in your computer, right? Review is very important. After that, evaluate the result. What result I got out of my decision? Was it a good decision? What is a bad decision? Have I succeeded or have I failed? Or the company has succeeded or the business has succeeded or the business has failed. Write down that so that this will help you in your future problems wherein you can take a decision. Hope it is very clear to you, and these points will help you to make right decisions and achieve your best goal or your company goal or your business goal. Fine. One more quote I would like to tell by Adolf Hitler. What he says is, think 1,000 times before taking a decision, but after taking a decision, never turn back even if you get thousands of difficulties. What people do is people start off with a job, they take a decision, they start off with a job. When they find difficulties, they leave the job, and that is half finished, and ultimately they don't finish that job. So it's always good to take a concrete decision. Once you take a decision, try to execute it and complete it, whether it is positive or if you're going into great losses, don't do it. But of course, otherwise, take a decision and move with that decision, right? Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, share it to your friends, comment in the comment box what are your takeaways in this particular video, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. And moreover, if you are interested to learn about productivity, procrastination, focus and mindset, then please click the link below and join my Facebook group. Thank you. Have a nice day.